If I've seen this chart one time, I've seen it 786 times, and that is people comparing 2022 to 2026. This is the exact same tweet / post that I've seen all over TikTok, all over Twitter, everywhere, and they think it's a bear trap and we got one leg lower. Here's the reason why it's not happening, because it does not understand fundamentally the thing that was at play at 2022 that is not at play in 2026. When you see creators say things like this, it's recency bias at best, and at worst, they don't understand the bigger game at play. So 2022 was the 7th year. 2026 is not the 7th year, simply put. Every 7 years, there is a major crash / purge that happens. When you understand the game as they play it, then the game becomes a lot easier. So here are a few examples of the last few 7 years. 1987 was Black Monday. That was the 7th year. 94, the bond market crash, 7th year. 2001, the dot-com bubble busted, 9/11 happened. 2008, the great financial crisis, 7th year. 2015, the Chinese stock market crash, 7th year. 2022, we had a recession. Luna went to zero. FTX went to zero. Voyager, Celsius, BlockFi, many others were purged. 2026 is not the 7th year. They will not purge the market the same way that they did in 2022. That is reserved for 2028, September through 2029. I am pretty certain that the bottom is in when we look at the volume, the big sell volume followed by the big buy volume. And I've said all along, I do not think they will purge the market just like they did in 2022, and I don't think it will be nearly as violent. I have publicly been buying since the beginning of February. Short term, there's some liquidity down here at 72K, and tomorrow is the Fed meeting. So there's probably going to be some volatility, but relatively, I think the worst of it is behind us. Up, down, or sideways, we're trading in the Telegram every single day for the month of February. We were up $46,000 with 19 winning days and 3 losing days. And for the month of March, so far, we are up $13,000. So if you guys want lifetime access to that, you can hit me in the DM. The important thing is, though, do not fall for this nonsensical trap of recency bias and not understanding the bigger game at play. When you understand who's in charge of money, what they believe, why they believe it, then the game becomes a lot easier. Follow me for more, you savages.